Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how to add mail account to absolutely any iPhone. Please, friends, subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to put your likes under the video and write comments, friends. So let's get started. And first, I'm going to show you how you can easily add your account to an application like Mail. In order to add your account to Mail, I recommend that you go to the settings on your iPhone. In Settings, you'll need to scroll down, find Mail, click on it. After that, friends, here select the Accounts option. And here, in order to add a new account, you will need to click Add Account. After that, you will have a list of different apps from which you can add an account. I'm going to choose Google. You need to wait for a page like this to load. Next, friends, you will need to leave here either your Google Mail as you are subscribed or your phone number, and then you need to click Next. And in the next step, you will need to leave your Google Mail password. And the last third step, you will be sent either to your mail or your phone number, a confirmation code that you will need to keep. In order to confirm that this is indeed you logging into your Gmail. Once you've added your Gmail email, you can exit the settings and already go directly to Mail. Open that app, and you'll be taken to a page like this, where you'll have absolutely all your messages from all your emails. If you have more than one, for example, will be collected in Mail, and you can edit, for example, which mail you want to open, or you can view all the messages if you click on the Inbox option at the top. This is how you can add a mail account on absolutely any iPhone. I really hope you found this video useful, that it helped you. Please don't forget to put your likes under the video. Also write comments and subscribe to our channel. See you soon, friends.